his wife, the Schulers. But we've got another congressman over here from Fayetteville who's waiting for us to help him make it happen. Larry Kissel, stand up. I don't go in here that I don't say thank you to Bob Higgs for putting up with a woman who doesn't cook. I think that's why he thinks, Jim Hunt, he might want me to be governor, because he hears there's a cook there at least somehow. It's great to be in Asheville on this beautiful fall evening, although, quite frankly, it hadn't felt like fall the whole time we've been here. And as I talked to some folks about coming up this weekend, they said, are you crazy Democrats doing that again this year? The Vance Aycock. And I said, yes, we are. I bet tonight somebody looked at you and said, why are you coming to gather together as Democrats at this annual banquet? Why are you giving up your time to do this? And I would bet that you understand, just like I understand, that you know why. You come to gather with us because as good Democrats, we understand clearly that we can make a difference for all the people of North Carolina. And that's what drives us. It is the Democratic Party that makes a real difference in this state and this country. And it is our Democratic Party, just like our able chairman, Jerry Meeks, just said, that exhibits true Democratic values, true North Carolina values. And that's exactly why I want to be your next governor. Because I believe the best educated workforce in America, right here in our state, and I believe our people can be the healthiest people in America if we as Democrats wrap our arms around those two initiatives and embrace them and make them happen. We can talk about things like changing the name of the Vance Aycock Dinner, but that doesn't make a real difference. We all understand that. What we have to do as Democrats is to make sure that all of the people in this state, regardless of who they are or where they come from, have a shot, a fair shot at being somebody in North Carolina. And I want to lead the effort to make that possible, to ensure that all of North Carolina families have access to good quality education and health care, and how about home ownership, and how about jobs from Murphy to Manio. We really can do that in North Carolina because of you and because of the people of this great state. The people of North Carolina are our very best resource, and we need to capitalize on their initiative and their love for doing the right things. Of course, if you're going to have the best educated workforce in the world in North Carolina, you've got to start with good quality teachers. You've got to pay them. Because many of you know I'm a former teacher. And I'm not saying that because I was recently endorsed by North Carolina's teachers and educators, and I'm very pleased with that. I'm saying that because in North Carolina, the only way we have really good teachers is to pay them a professional salary worthy of the work they do for our children, who are our future workforce. You know, we've made great strides in North Carolina thanks to Jim Hunt. We have Smart Start, which is still the most acclaimed preschool, health care, and social services program in the country. We have more for what we need to do, as well as our preschool initiatives, I believe, is to do a better job of helping our kids in North Carolina finish what they start. I have a plan that you'll hear lots about that well before high school, perhaps as early as 5th grade, our state should make an ironclad promise to our students. If they work hard in their communities, if they make good grades and stay in school, and if they stay out of trouble, and if they graduate high school, we lose a third of our kids now who never graduate high school, then you know what we, North Carolina, will do for them? We will commit to them that tuition money for any kind of program to get 21st century job skills or to attend a community college or university will not limit them from finishing that education. That's the right thing to do. We have never had a governor who served this state well, who didn't lead on education. It is the legacy of this state and a legacy Democrats have built. We can also make North Carolina the healthiest state in America. We can make sure that every child in this state has health insurance. You believe that. Those are good Democratic values, and those are North Carolina values. And we must start, Heath Schuler, with overriding George Bush's veto of And as a people, I would ask you to join me in believing that we can help parents of poor children get the health coverage that they too need. And we can help figure out how to make health insurance affordable for the middle class, for the working families of North Carolina. And we can lower health care costs for all of us in this room if we just place a bigger emphasis as a people on wellness and healthy living. We can do that together if we commit ourselves to the task. So from affordable and accessible health care, to a first-rate education for our kids, from creating job opportunities and financial security, to leaving the next generation an environment that's greener and cleaner than the environment we have today. Those together, as Democrats, we have to focus on. You know, we have come so far as a party and as a people. But I continue to say we're halfway home and a long way to go. We've got to continue moving North Carolina forward. You know, I didn't grow up in a politically connected family. I did grow up, though, believing that with a good education and hard work, anything is possible for any of us. And I'm standing here right now tonight before you as your Lieutenant Governor because I have lived my life believing that. I am a product of a public school system, and I'm a product of hard work and a product of knowing that in this state, possibilities are limited only by one's imagination. When I was a kid, I was given this plaque, and I have it in your office. The Lieutenant Governor is really your office. It belongs to you. I see it every day. It says, I think I can. I think I can. I know I can. I know I can. When it comes to making a real difference for North Carolina's families, I don't just think we can. I know that we can together as Democrats in North Carolina. Thank you.